So day 12 after my surgery. Today is not a good day. I had an awful night's sleep. Just couldn't get comfortable, and as a result I feel absolutely exhausted this morning. Woke up in a lot of pain. Took my really strong painkillers again, and as usual it does get rid of the pain, but I was hoping by this point to not need as many painkillers as I'm actually taking at the moment. I thought within 2 weeks, I aimed for 2 weeks to get off everything, and I can't see that happening now. But it is what it is. I guess it wasn't just a run-of-the-mill hip replacement in the end. It got complicated, and therefore it will be a longer recovery. But apart from that, on the positive side, in 1 to 3 days, I get to have a shower, and I get to wash my greasy, horrible hair. It's disgusting. Do you know what? Because I'm in the house, I haven't even bothered with dry shampoo because I think, sod it. No one's going to see it apart from my husband, and parents have seen it, so there's no point in glamming up, is there? And that sounds really awful, like they're not worth making an effort for, and they are, but right now, excuse me, I'm lounging. I haven't even got dressed this morning because I just don't feel like it, and that's not like me. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow will be, the start of tomorrow will be a better day. Yeah, okay. Over and out. And my leg's still very, very swollen. Can't seem to get that down at all. It does feel like it's going down when I lay down, and then obviously when I get up on my crutches again, everything goes to the foot and swells it up. I wouldn't be able to wear normal shoes at this point at all. Probably be able to get into, I can get into slippers, I suppose. Got these boot slippers, and I could wear flip-flops, but shoes are out of the question right now. Okay, over and out, and I'll speak soon.